Module 8, here we talk about the organic lead generation secret, how to generate quality lead without running paid adverts. See here, before I even start showing you the strategy, I want to tell you this. If you have decided in yourself that you don't have money to run ad, or you don't want to spend money to run ad, you have to be ready to put in the damn work. I have to use that word so that you know that it's not gonna be easy. You have to be ready to put in the damn work, right? Advert helps us to, a kind of boost the potential results we get very fast. But if you want to go the organic way, so you can do that, but you have to be ready to put in the damn work. That said, let's go into the slide that I have for you. So the first one is post content regularly on your social media handles. So if you just take the content creation section, and this particular one will be handled, you learn a lot of things about creating content that resonates with your brand, the time, and all of those things. So you have to regularly post content. Me, I do 10 content a day. I do 5 to 10 content every single day. So you can actually do that for yourself, because any social media handle at all favors active accounts. Once you go or maybe once you come online and be posting one per day, your account is not going to be active like that. So it's going to not be active as to people that are using as people that are posting very, very often, right? So the second one, you organize webinars and ask people to register. So I see a lot of people doing this 3 days masterclass. I'll be hosting a 3 days masterclass. For you to register, click on the link and put in your name and your email. This is how you get some quality leads if you don't want to run adverts. So you can organize training, maybe on a Zoom class or in a WhatsApp class. You tell them to register before they join the training. Okay. So the next one, invite someone to train your audience and ask people to register. Very, very important, very, very powerful. All right, you are leveraging on that person you are inviting. You are leveraging on his or her audience. So for instance, let's say you have someone in your feed that you admire, and you're able to connect with the person and invite the person to train your audience. The person obviously is going to post maybe about the training or about the webinar in his or her timeline and draw some of his or her audience to your own timeline. Do you understand? And in case there was a link to register, the person is sending his or her audience to the registration website, and this is how you get more leads that you didn't even work for. So all you need is you leverage on the person, assuming the person has large follower, probably 20 to 100k follower or even 10k. It's actually a good strategy for you to generate quality leads if you are not running paid adverts. Just a quick one before you continue watching your video. Facebook advert is constantly changing, and if you are not up to date, you are always going to be struggling to get results with your ad. And that is why I created this program called Simple Facebook Ad That Converts. This is a program that is going to show you all the updated Facebook ad strategy that is working right now, and every time there is a new update, I record a new video and upload to the program. So this is a program that you need to get right now. It comes with over 13 free amazing bonuses and over 6 modules. This is a Facebook ad that is going to give you fantastic results. Over 500 people have taken the program, and the testimonials are amazing. Like you can see some of the screenshots on your screen. All you need to do is to click the link in the description, go and grab the Facebook ad program. Right now, you are getting 13 amazing bonuses, but these bonuses are limited for a very short time. So if you don't get it now, you might not get that bonus again. And the price will also increase at a shortest time. All you need to do now is to click on the link in the description, grab the Facebook ad program, and I will see you on the inside. Host free classes from time to time. That's the same thing I talked about. Post in related Facebook groups. Wow. So please go and join at least 30 to 50 Facebook groups that are related to your niche, and make it a duty to be posting content regularly. You must not do every day, but regularly post content. Not only post content, comment on the groups, share ideas. If someone asks a question and you know it, offer some help, and you see a lot of people will be following you because they believe that, okay, this person is able to help. All right, so that's how this thing work. So the next one, comment valuably on posts that relate to your niche. I want you to note this down. Bring out a pen and paper and write at least 10 to 20 active accounts that that post something that resonates with what you are selling. So for instance, if you're into sales and marketing, you write 20 active accounts that regularly share content on sales and marketing. If you're into health niche, you write 20 accounts that regularly share content on health niche, and make it a duty to engage with them, engage with their posts. Whatever they post, especially when they post something that you like, you can engage. If it's something you can contribute, you can contribute. If it's something you can share ideas, if it's something you can share your story on that, always engage with the active account. It helps to boost your algorithm, and it also helps you to legally steal some of his or her followers to check out your timeline. And if what you are doing is awesome, they will give you a follow. They will follow you, right? They will follow you. So the next and last one, reply comment with question relating to what you're offering. So assuming you are scrolling, then you see somebody asking, please, my Facebook account is disabled. How can I go about it? How can I activate it? If you know what to do, you can give a reply. Or please, I've been trying to use this virtual card to pay for Facebook ad and it's not working. Of course, if you know that virtual card don't work, you can reply the person. Just find a way to offer help by replying people's comments. That way, let me tell you, see, whatever you do in the comment section, I will not say it's powerful than even what you do on your timeline, but it's actually as powerful as what you do on your timeline. So because thousands of people are watching, they will just read the content, the comments, and they will check the reply, and they will say, okay, who is this guy? Let me actually check the person out. Probably because you offered one or two help. That's how this thing works, right? So do not neglect the power of replying comments and offering value to people that need it. Okay. So this is basically how you can utilize the organic lead generation secrets to generate quality lead for yourself, right? So every other thing about creating lead magnets, creating opt-in page, all of those things still apply here. The only difference now is in the traffic. How you draw traffic is this strategy that I've given to you. So I hope that particular one helps you to start getting lead. Why I added this module is because even if you don't have money yet to start running adverts, you can apply this strategy to start generating quality lead without having to wait till money comes. All right, so as you are running class, you are upselling them small low ticket offer, money will start coming from there. Then you will now activate your paid advert. I hope this particular module has been able to help you. All right, I'll see you again next time.